two doors. This is the front door. Kitchen is up front. This is the front of the trailer. Lots of counter space, lots of storage. Refrigerator, pretty decent size. Again, back to the front door. From the front door is the rest of the living room, place for a television, stereo. On this side is the couch. The couch and the dinette are on the super slide. There's also some skylight windows above both. Then you go back through the trailer to another hanging closet, some more drawers. There's drawers under the television. Across from the hanging closet is the bathroom. Toilet, shower. We put in one of the, forget what it's called now, but the faucets that make it feel like a lot of water when it's not. Or shower head rather. From the bathroom door that I just closed there, you can see into the bedroom. Across from the bathroom is where the sink and the medicine cabinet are. Another closet or storage under there. And then there is a curtain here that closes off the bedroom. The back door is right here by the bedroom. And here's the bedroom with more hanging storage. Storage up above. More hanging storage with a full-length mirror, which I enjoyed. Another place for another television. Queen-size bed. Backing up from the bedroom.